I Made That.
Hello, my name is Flynn, and this is Look, I Made That, the channel that is almost exclusively time-lapse Lego builds, yet has a name vague enough to include other crafts and building subjects in case I ever get tired of Legos or simply can't afford them anymore. Speaking of not being able to afford Legos, please like the video and subscribe to my channel to help support my habit. This Skee Ball set was a 5 and below find that my wife brought home. 5 and below usually has a pretty good rotation of mocks available, always at a great price. Well, I mean, it's in their name, 5 and below, right? Anytime I go to an arcade, Skee Ball is one of my favorite games. And this set says that it's actually a working game. I'm looking forward to putting it together and finding out how well it works. So, let's get started. Look at that. That thing looks really cool. Let's see how well it works. Uh-oh. Okay, those are 100% getting lost. Wait, what? Okay, that worked out.
Nope. Nope. Nope.
It works, but I kind of feel like it needs a launching mechanism though. It's kind of hard. The box says it has a ball return, but they seem to be stuck. Okay, wait a minute. I think it just needs to be loosened up a little bit. Okay, there we go. That's better. And then it looks like if you actually score, or if any of them get stuck, you can open up the back and get them. That's pretty cool. Where am I going to store these things, though? I mean it, they're going to get lost. Oh, I know. There we go. And then when we need them again, we just... okay, all right. At least one of them is gone forever. And now I just realized it says right on the box, built-in storage. Well, thanks for watching. This one was really fun. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe if you want more content like this. See you next time.